I reached by taking bhog to the subtle world by giving remembrance of all the children and bhog. I told Baba that many teachers have came in this bhatti Then Baba said, daughter, Baba said that even if someone complains or even if someone when he is ill, he complains or some sends their remembrance, so in this subtle world, whether it's a complaint or a request or any wishes they want me to fulfill, everything reaches here. As now, there are all the children who are with Baba to cooperate in this work, because now even nature is also preparing for the time that is about to come. Baba said that you teachers who are the strength of Baba, like in this corporeal world also, they worship deities, especially Devis. Even if any kind of situation comes in center, at that time also, you all children have Baba's hand on your heads, full of blessings. So always keep his image like this, that his hands are on us, full of blessings. Then everything will become easy to solve. Because it's not just God who is transforming this world, you children are with God in this work. If every children understands this, that this service or work is not mine, is for us everyone, and Baba is with me to do, then yours and mine feeling will end. So, you are an instrument, whether it's Shaktiya or Pandavas, but you have to do this together. You have to take the responsibility of this sacrificial fire. Along with Baba, you children, we both have to stay together so that we can succeed in this transformation of world. As you can see, this nature's games, like as world is going to come to an end, but you have to stay with Baba and stay on the path where you are to transform the world. Then I gave Baba remembrance of everyone Then Baba accepted the bhog.
ये मास भी विशेष पाप को याद करने का
Then Baba said, this month
ये दुनिया
is to remember God and even making others remember God. And this is done by devotees also in this month.
चल करके
As devotees do not even care about how much heat or cold it is, they keep on walking to reach the pilgrimage of this world to just get a vision of Him. Then he accepted bhog lovingly. And Baba also remembered you with his whole heart and love. Then I came to this corporeal world. Om Shanti.